Here's the app Untitled, your work in progress music. So this is a really cool app for music creators, kind of like a different version of SoundCloud. The best place to listen, share, and organize your work in progress music. So you can upload directly from files, airdrop by message, like your tracks. So the music you are creating, you can organize your tracks in project and folders. You can listen, edit, and share links, edit the pitch and speed of your track. Use AI to split your tracks into stems, record and nurture inspiration wherever it strikes. So yeah, kind of really nice app to kind of promote your music or to collaborate with your friends or with other music creators. So here you need to tap and add, and you can upload from your files, iCloud. You can also create new project. You can record right in here, and then, for example, this is how the track. This is kind of the project, and in the project you have tracks where you can then just add all these additional tracks. Then you can then just for each track you see this, you can edit it. For example, you can duplicate, move track, replace audio, export, add to queue, and then you can delete track. If you wanted to share it with someone, you can share private, invite only, or public. Then you can add notes, rename project, change cover art, move project, remove download, add to queue, and just so basically I uploaded one track just from other music AI app just to test it out. And then here's the project name, and you can have multiple tracks in here. And that's basically the idea. So then you can then just search it across your project. And then you can have your account. There is a web app. You can protect your login with Face ID, and that's basically it. And of course, then you can just delete an account in here. So something like that. I mean, this is kind of like yeah, again, just like an app to store your music edits, music ideas maybe under password and just share with friends. So that's basically the idea, as I understand. And then you can then just go and look in more details. Right now is the second number in charts. I don't know why it blew up and got so much traction. You can also edit them. A better Dropbox, great tool for artists, great app. So yeah, kind of like Dropbox for music. You can see it in here. I was thinking that this app would also have like a SoundCloud element, so you can listen to tracks from other people. But it seems it doesn't, or at the moment it's only like a Dropbox kind of where you store your tracks and then you can just share it with your friends. But yeah, that's what it is in a nutshell. That's how you do it. Obviously, you first need to create your account and reserve your username.